Lillian, talk with me first of all about where do you get your design inspirations from?
I study runway fashion because I love fashion. And I find that couture designers are willing to really reach out so far with their imagination, their color palettes. So I get quite a bit from that experience, just having fun with it. But this market, I'm particularly excited that there's so many accessible color palettes. I love denim blue. I love steel gray. I put aqua with the steel gray in my coastal room.
You've done a fabulous job of blending and melding different styles, everything from gorgeous woods and contemporary looks to more traditional pieces using Lucite. Can you talk with me about melding and blending of styles?
Well, it turns out we work in about 5 lifestyles, and it just evolved that way because I think as a family, we're all very creative. We all have opinions. I love the feminine glamour look, but of course my son Dan, who's a major person designer on our team, says, "Mom, no more pink and blue."
Talk with me about your new outdoor. It's fabulous.
The idea was that we had so many favorite frames that were indoor, and they were able to find appropriate materials where you could have a sheltered porch and have all that comfort. Not just the usual outdoor with frames and cushions, but we're hoping it works out that we've brought the indoor-outdoor concept.
One last question is just about, you said you like to look at fashion and couture fashion. How is that an influencer for you as you're looking at how people live?
Well, I really think we don't realize how much we are influenced by the clothes we wear and the fantasies that we live with, particularly women, are very drawn to certain designers who are incredibly gifted. And couture is not afraid to be very expressive. And I love to just reach out and have that opportunity.